My name is Stefan Andrewicz from Vienna. I'm the director of Stefan Andrewicz Fine Arts in Vienna in Austria. I'm happy to present you today a floor-standing laternal clock, a regulator, which was made around 1830 in Vienna. Made by Kaltenbrunner, a big clockmaker, who became master in 1828 in Josephsdorf near Kahlenberg, near Vienna. He was born there in 1799 and was married in 1828 and worked in Gaudensdorf, which was at the time a suburb of Vienna. Now it's the 15th district, Vienna. Kaltenbrunner died in after 1864, the year when his wife died. This clock in particular has a long duration, which means 285 days, nearly 10 months, a big barrel, maintaining power, Graham escapement, and a knife edge suspended brass steel compensating pendulum. Interestingly, it's got the original glass in the hood, as well as an open hole under the brass bob, where the weight goes down to the bottom of the clock. If you would like to know more about the technique and the history of this clock, please visit us on www.andrewicz.com.